Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to clear internet data usage in Windows 10. Quick start, settings. Click network and internet. Click data usage. Click all networks. Click reset usage stats. Click reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.